Now we move on to video you'll see only on 6. 3 Miami police officers are suspended tonight after dashcam video of an arrest painted a much different picture than the officers' report.
The footage was caught on an OHP trooper's camera. An attorney shared it exclusively with News on 6 reporter Ashley King. Ashley?
And Scott, the driver's attorney got the video through a subpoena. He says it's important that this video is made public, and he believes it's the reason his client's DUI charges were dropped. This is video from the dash of an OHP trooper's squad car. You can hear the trooper turn on his lights as he follows a suspected drunk driver. Once the truck pulls over, a Miami police officer gets out of her car and approaches Jerry Payne's truck. Payne's attorney, Josh Lee, says her police report doesn't add up with what happens next.
You're going to see where she says the driver immediately got out of his truck. He never gets out of his truck.
Moments later, the trooper is seen pulling Payne out of the truck. The report says Payne's face was scratched when he was pushed to the ground. Lee, however, believes the driver's injuries came from something else.
That's a state trooper right there. The lady to the left is the Miami police officer, and then the other Miami police officer comes from back over here. And this is when he comes running in and kicks Mr. Payne right in the face, and you see his head snap back pretty good.
These are pictures that Lee says were taken after Payne was arrested and booked into jail. Payne's DUI charges were ultimately dropped after the trooper's video came to light.
Dashcam is the only thing that's going to try to set the record straight. I am such a believer in them is because of things like this, and because I think the public has to know what their government's doing.
That's why Lee says he chose to show us the video, and he hopes lawmakers will consider making all dashcam video public record.
When it's just the battle of his word, her word, police officer wins every time.
The Miami police chief could not comment on the investigation, but he tells me both officers in the video and their supervisor are on paid administrative leave. OHP says the trooper in the video has not been suspended. And Payne's attorney says they have requested that the city investigate this, and they're hoping the city will ultimately file perjury or assault and battery charges. Reporting Ashley King, News on 6 Tonight.